welcome to Cooking Dairy Free and Off Golf Nancy. So I've been wanting to make bread from scratch from start to finish with the Ninja, and that's what I'm doing. So I've got my water in here. I've warmed up the insert and everything. We're going to add the sugar. So you need 2 tablespoons of sugar, and you can use, if you know the organic sugar. This is what we have on hand, and I do have kind of like organic sugar up in the cabinet. I just forgot to get it. And then we're going to add our package of yeast, which is 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast. Okay, we'll add that in there. Mix it all together. And we're going to close the lid for 10 minutes and we're going to see what happens. See y'all in 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Smells. I can smell it. We're going to see how it looks. Okay. So, you know, it's bubbly. I can tell you that. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to, since it's still nice and warm, let's add our oil. And we're going to add our flour and everything. And we're going to get this all mixed up. Now, the last time I did the bread, I didn't smell that yeasty smell. You know, when it's like supposed to be activated and stuff. This time I do smell it. So it's like, oh, that smells good. And one thing I like doing this in the Ninja, y'all know me, it makes the bread round. Alrighty. So about a teaspoon of salt. And we are going to add our flour. I thought I had I just dropped things. No, that's alright. I'm alright, I didn't fall. I just knocked things over. So see, I'm right here. Alright, so we're going to add the rest of that flour. Let's see how much this says. Alright, that's 2 cups. And last time I needed 4 cups. So what I'm going to do, since I am not really mixing this by hand, but in a way I am, we're going to do 3 1/2 cups. Alright, there we go. And then we're going to add our flour. I am not adding any flaxseed this time because we're just going to do the flour. Alrighty. Mix till it comes out the side of the pan. And let's get our hands in there. So now all in one pot, and you can get in here, get the sides, get those little extra bits. From the grass people, they were supposed to be down here yesterday. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna put this down, and I'm gonna heat this up just a little bit. You want a warm place for your bread to rise. So that's what I did. A warm place for the bread to rise. We're going to coat this with some oil. There we go. And we're just going to turn this off, close the lid, and let it sit for an hour. And I'll see you in an hour. Okay, it's been an hour. We're going to see what this looks like. Oh no, yes. This rose really well. So I can leave it like this. I'm just going to, I don't want to make any marks on it because they'll probably just pop it and make it go flat. So now it's time to bake this. We're going to bake it in the Ninja. And I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to put it on. Alright, so we turn it on. It's on bake. We're going to take the time 30 minutes. Temp back down to 350. So temperature is 350, time is 30 minutes. We hit start, and there you go. So see y'all in 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes is up. Y'all want to see what this looks like? Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, the smell of fresh baked bread. Oh, yes. Alright, so I'm going to bring y'all around because we're going to take this out. Turn that off. Let's get this back a little bit. Alrighty. And yes, this sucker is hot. Alrighty. Looky, looky. Now, I probably, like I said the last time, I could sit there. I could have kneaded the dough again. Let it rise for another 30 minutes. But I didn't. So I have my nice round disc bread. Alright. So, I want to show y'all the top. But this is hot. Look at that nice crust on it and everything. Whew. So if I hold that too much, that's going to squish down. So, there we have it. Bread in the Ninja Foodi Deluxe from start to finish. I'm loving this. So, Maybe next time I'll do some rolls. You just never know. That sounds good. Some nice bread rolls for dinner. So thank y'all for coming. Thank you for being here on Cooking Dairy Free and Alcohol. We'll see you next time. God bless. Stay safe. Love y'all. And y'all have a wonderful and blessed day.